I just got an email.
Through late tonight, a cluster of thunderstorms will rumble from west to east across the Wash area this afternoon through this evening. In the wake of this cluster, additional thunderstorms may form in the Wash area overnight. The ground is saturated from the wet summer, and many area streams are running high. Any persistent downpour is likely to cause high water, including flash flooding. Reminder, a flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
Okay. Okay.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for
3,
Central Ohio, including Columbus
21.
and vicinity.
Okay.
Flash.
Well, folks, so that was kind of inconvenient. I didn't know. Well, I thought it won't work. Or I thought it's just useless. So, folks, please don't mind. Or not.